Yo!
Yeah?
What was that?
Yeah, what's up?
Dude, have you seen all the new comments on our Supra video?
No, not really. What are they saying?
To be honest, I'm not entirely sure what they're saying. Like, this guy said, because it is terrible, you idiot. Shut the f*** up, rookie. You have absolutely no idea what you're talking about. That's kind of pretty
Brian.
negative.
A little negative there, but we can find something good here. Look at this one. Spot on, brother. Great report. Look at that. That's uplifting.
That makes me feel kind of nice. Owned a 1990 Turbo Supra. Great car, bought it new. Okay, that's a good one. This new one looks like a huge turd sprinkled in piss. This guy seems like a real double-barreled dumbass.
Two. So, okay. At least you didn't say you were just one, right? That's not so bad.
No, it's pretty hurtful, dude.
Anthony Bockhart. Great presentation ability, bro. You got a new sub. Boom. That's money right there.
It probably makes up for the double-barreled dumbass comment, but you all realize Toyota will pay anyone a few shekels to praise their new Mark V. Ah, okay.
Okay, wait a second. Great video, but the interior of the new Supra doesn't look driver-oriented like the older models.
Okay, yeah.
That's fair. Actually, I think that's...
Yeah, I would have to probably agree with that.
That's a fair point. Mr. Unknown.
Okay, see, that's a pretty good criticism.
Respect. That's good.
Oh, dude, okay. Look at this comment thread.
Yeah. Wait, actually, I think they're onto something here.
Dude, okay, hold on. Let's break this down.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The new Toyota is not a Supra, so it needs to be Toyota, but not a Supra.
Okay.
There.
Bam.
Okay, good.
Right there.
It's the FT1 concept.
Oh, shit. Okay.
That's the one. It's a Beamer.
Yeah, I got
There
that.
you go. But it is a Supra. It was named by Toyota.
Okay, yeah, sure. Got that.
Probably the dumbest comment I've read here. Yeah, it is. It says Supra right on it, dude.
Supra on it? How about that?
You're just too dumb to understand the underlying meaning of his comment, but
Is this the underlying meaning?
this is it. This is the underlying meaning.
So is this the new Supra, according to the comment?
That's it. I think we just found it.
This is more Supra than the last Supra.
Double Supra.
All right, no. There's something else here. We're missing out on something.
Wait. This Z4.
This Z4. Okay, see, it's a Z4, not a Supra.
Yeah.
But other people are saying it's a Supra.
No,
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, well, keep rolling. Let's see.
Something in here
This-
good.
These two monkeys should stick to baking.
These two monkeys should stick to baking. That's really good criticism.
Yeah, this is
non-derogatory, definitely not a racial slur.
Family friendly.
Let's follow that.
That's it. Sean Malcolm,
Thanks, dude.
we're doing it.
Hey guys, welcome to Baking Made Worthless with Albon.
No, it's called the official YouTube Oven Trials Arena.
Yeah, that's even stupider than mine.
No, it's not. It's a good name.
No.
Welcome to Albon's Baking with the Comments section.
Yeah!
So, dude, what do you actually want to make?
So I'm thinking cookies.
Oh yeah, cookies actually sounds really good.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, people like cookies.
Here are the tools you're gonna need. Bowls, measuring cups, whisk, spatula, a little vanilla extract, butter, baking soda, salt, flour, and sugars. And a laptop to read comments. By the way, here's a fresh one right here. This clip is from 2017. Yeah, it is. Now when he sees the new Supra, he will delete this clip and go around like he never make it. Supra is a Z4 diagnosed with tumor and metastases.
What? Okay, let's start with the butter.
Wait, hold on. Why don't we brown the butter? Like proper fancy style.
Brown the butter.
You ever done that before?
No, I've not done that before. Let's try it.
Where I'm from, people do that a lot. So yeah, let's go to the start.
I guess we have time for another comment then. See here, stop telling me what to write, says, that is one ugly BMW. Thank you for your input. All right, now let's start the browning process. Let's turn on the heat, and while that warms up, let's have a look at another comment. Greg Wyke says, for $50K, I don't know how anyone could have made a better car. The thing is gorgeous and looks like nothing else. Will be very quick and incredibly reliable. Not sure what people wanted if not this. Only thing missing is a manual, but even though everyone complains, they wouldn't buy a manual anyway. All right, well, Appreciate the thoughts, Greg.
While Zan's browning the butter, we can get the dry ingredients together. Crack rock. Whisk this together. Get it all incorporated. And while we're whisking, let's read another YouTube comment here. Dr. Larry says, Guff was wrong. I'm not. The BRZ4 is a clod and will only appeal to those who have no clue. By the way, if you want a BMW, buy a BMW. This Z4 with a body kit is not a Supra. Cool? Okay, it's a fair opinion. I thought Dr. Larry was in federal penitentiary though, so I'm not sure how he got access to YouTube, but. Now that we have the brown butter, thanks to old Zanny here, we can go ahead and pour that into our main bowl. And then here's all the sugars measured out. We'll go ahead and pour that in as well. Found a chicken in the back. Got 2 eggs. Throw that in. Last, but most certainly not least, a crucial component of any enthusiast's cookie. It is 2 teaspoons of the good old vanilla extract. One of those. Beautiful. Now we start whisking, just like this.
Like that?
Just like this.
It's gonna take forever, man.
Yeah, I mean, well, what do you have in mind?
Satan says,
Your beat intensifies.
all right, it's done.
The last step for the cookie dough is adding the dry ingredients to the wet. And then you take a little spatula and you just fold that in until it becomes fully incorporated and is cookie dough. While I'm mixing this thing up, let's read another comment. The Evan Cole says, so now with the official release, you keep your same stance? Lol. Yeah, I do, because in my video I said the whole point is to drive the car and then judge how it drives based on when you drive it, you know, not off the spec sheet. Unless you've driven it, I haven't. I can't judge the car.
I gotta say, this is great work. Good looking dough. This is gonna make for a great platform for our new cookies. Good work, man. Let's take it half and half. You take one half, I take one half. I do my thing, you do your thing. We come back and we make these great cookies, huh? All right, let's do it.
All right, for my cookies, we're doing something a little different, a little special, a little luxury. Because let's be honest, my cookies have always been kind of the ultimate cookie machines when it comes to cookies. So we're doing these chocolate little button wafers, kind of fancy, you know? I'm gonna drop in a couple of those. And then we have chocolate covered toffee bars, which we're just doing a quick rough chop to. And then in they go. Well, this is pretty much finished up, so let's read a comment. In order to make a great refined product, collaboration is key. Toyota was smart and ahead of the trends on this car. Working with a company that has a completely different view on sports cars was an ingenious method of creating a car that speaks to a wide variety of drivers. Yeah, that's a great point, Tygun.
All right, what I got for mine is the classic, the crowd favorite, chocolate chips. And on the other side here, a little extra spice, a little extra flavor for you. These are caramel chips. Toss these right in. And get to mixing. All right, looking pretty good. Looks like we have some time for another comment. Pentachromatic says, this is a promising car and the BMW partnership was a great move. Let's wait and see how it actually drives. It brings back some old Supra DNA without being cheap fan service. Can't wait to see more in-depth reviews on it to see if it's any good. Cool. Pentachromatic. Want some cookies?
All right, so my batch is pretty much ready to go. I got a baking pan with a silicone baking sheet on here. I'll go ahead and do mine first, Zan, if that's all right with you.
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
All right, cool. So just take my little cookie scoop here, knock these bad boys on. And a little optional extra for the discerning cookie enthusiast, a little coarse sea salt, just right on top, you know? Just a little something extra special. You can kind of option in. Get this going. 375, that's where I want it. All right, the oven's preheated now, so let's throw the old cookies in. These will be in there for roughly 9 minutes. We'll check on them, but, oh, no comment. Vampire says, what is a Celica?
All right, I'll set mine on 350. This is a nice oven, by the way.
Thanks. It's Austrian.
Austrian, oh, cool. All right, let's get these into the oven here. While that gets to bacon, let's get to reading another comment. Best Cat Ratco 94 says, 80% BMW, 20% Toyota. Like other people say, the iconic Supra now is more of a Z4. 80%, 20%. I guess that math checks out. All right, let's take these out. Looking pretty good. Love to see.
Dude, honestly, these look really freaking good. And especially considering the fact that you and I made the same cookie dough, they look really different from one another.
You know what? And they probably taste different too.
Yeah.
You know, I know a cookie enthusiast who's a big fan of my cookies.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this to him. I'm sure he's gonna love it. I can't wait for him to try it. Just be right back, okay?
Oh.
It's gonna be awesome. Yes. Yo, I made these new cookies. I worked really hard on them. I really think you're gonna like it a lot.
Cool.
Took a lot of time, but I think you're really gonna like it.
Whoa, you didn't make these cookies, Guff did.
No, we worked on it together.
New cookie trash, bro.
But you haven't even tasted it yet.
Doesn't change the fact that new cookie looks like trash.
Who are you?
I just wish it wasn't so much like a Guff cookie.
But it's not though. Just taste it.
Cute recipe, but boy were you wrong. New cookie is a disaster.
It's an recipe does not a Zen cookie make. I haven't felt this way since Katie joined the Golden State Warriors.
Oh, hey. What they're all still there.
Yeah. He kept on talking about how they were your cookies, even though I was trying to give him my cookies. Kept on saying something about I use the same oven as you, we use the same dough or whatever, but I mean, they're different cookies, I don't get it.
We made the dough together, you and I. And we used the oven because it's the closest oven here.
It's right here, I thought it was fine. I mean, I'm not gonna go over to my house just to bake it.
You wouldn't eat them at all.
He wouldn't even try it. He said it was really ugly too. Yeah.
Probably fine, but okay. I guess we can eat them then.
Mm-hmm. All right then, plate yours. Cheers.
Yeah. It's a good ass cookie. Okay, shit, I didn't really think this through. Oh God. Hold on, I can do this. Now, I'm not really considered a svelte guy, but, you know, BRZ does the job. Okay, this is a weird driving position. Yeah, boy! Look at that. This is weird. Dude, this is like McLaren F1 right here. Except the steering wheel's not here. Anyways, look at that. We gotta... Oh, there's no gas. Okay, I'm gonna let this warm up for about 3 or 4 days, and then I think it should be warm enough to drive. So that's how you get started in the morning in Chicago. Also, it's 3:30 p.m. because the car wouldn't start this morning. And yeah, okay, bye.